Okay, so we're going to be doing 13 step by step 13 delete elements from a chart. On the stacked bar chart sheet tab, click the vertical axis title and delete it. And do the same for the coffee line tab. One. Axis title. And total line and the clustered bar. Right click the stacked bar chart tab and select move or copy. In the before sheet list box, select clustered bar, click create a copy, and then click OK for another copy of stacked bar. Double click on the stacked bar and rename it so it'll be sales increase, and click the orange data, the 150 data, and delete it. And do the same for coffee accessories, packaged coffee and tea, and deli. And so we can also hide data, and we're going to hide bakery, and you can't see the values of bakery. And like that. Click the title first. Let's do that first. And type coffee, espresso, and accessories, only consistent sales increase. I'm kind of messed up right there. And you can also hide data, so we're going to go to the chart filters tab. Click uncheck click bakery to uncheck it. Click bakery to uncheck it and click away. And now also do the same for click bakery and click apply, and then click packaged coffee and deli to click apply. So we're going to recheck all of them and click apply. After looking at the chart, okay, so now you're done and you save. File, save as, browse, and put it in your student folder, Excel lesson 12, and we're going to hit save, and we're going to replace the old one. Okay, now we're going to be starting on step by steps 14, add additional data series. Right click the data tab and select move or copy. Scroll to the bottom, click move to the end, and click create a copy, and click OK. double click the data tab that just popped up and rename it data exp and then press enter and then select A2 to A7 to F7, which it already is selected, and click the insert tab, insert column chart, insert under the 2D column, insert the clustered column, so the first one, insert rows below coffee and espresso and packaged coffee / tea. So we're going to click this row and insert a blank row below coffee and espresso and do the same for packaged coffee / tea. So we're going to insert again and now edit the labels and values as shown in figure 12 to 29. And we're going to start with column A first. Annual sales in thousands, nothing, coffee and espresso. Takeoff and espresso. And put it down here. Espresso / premium coffee. Bakery, coffee accessories, packaged coffee. To take off the /t, type in tea, packaged tea in the cell below it. So packaged tea, deli and total sales. So column B is 2010. Under it should be 697. 697. Enter and 105. 352, 15, 191 has to be changed to 176. 15 again, 215, and so we're going to be moving on to column C. Under 2011, we're going to put 740, 210, 325, 75, change 190 to 165, 25, 178. Okay, so now we're going to move on to column D, and under 2012 we're going to put 605, 410, 302, 280, 150, 45, 52. So we're going to move on to column E. Under 2013 we'll be putting 440, 610, 250, 402, change 198 to just 98, so just erase it, put 98, and after that 100, 190, so it should be 2090. We're going to column F. Under 2014 put 575, 810, 150, 658, 38, 150, 202. So change 275 to 575. Okay, Now right click in a blank area of the tab and click select data, and this select data source box opens up. Click the add button, and in the series name box select cell A4. In the series values box, erase it, what was already put in it, and select B4 to F4, B4 to F4, and click OK, and click espresso and premium coffee, and now move it, so click this move up button and move it for it to be below coffee, so there, and do the same, repeat steps 5 and 6, so we're going to click add and package click add, click A8, oh, A8, not A9, and then click B8 to F8, so B8 to F8, click OK, and so the label is below packaged coffee. So packaged tea, move it up for it to be under packaged coffee. Click OK and save the workbook. So make sure you save the workbook, and then we're done. We're done with steps 13 and 14, which were to delete elements from a chart and to add additional data series.